Google.com. How big it is and how many things does it have? You may don't have the idea. Majority of us using Google only for searching purpose. But let me tell you that Google have many tips and tricks that many we don't know, and plus it will help you in some way or the other. So in this video we will learn about 10 useful tips and tricks related to Google.com. But before we begin, if you are new to my channel, like and don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin. Trick number 1. If you have long numbers, let's say a 6-digit or 7-digit or 8-digit number, then you don't know how to pronounce it in words, the Google will help you here. Just write the number you want and is equal to English in the search bar, and there you go. The Google will type the value in words against your written number. Isn't it interesting? Trick number 2. If you are a movie lover and you want to download movies, you may visit multiple websites but may got spam links or affiliate links that has not related to your search. Here Google help you. Just go to Google search and write the movie's name with Google Drive. So if this movie is available on Google Drive, then you can easily download the movie and enjoy it. All thanks to Google. Trick number 3. Coin toss. You can digitally use coin or flip coin for first turn in any game using Google.com. Just write coin toss in the search bar and hit enter. Press the flip again to toss again. Isn't it interesting? Trick number 4. If you want to go in history of Windows and find how Windows will looks in 90s, then go to Google search bar and write Google in 1998. The Google will become what it was in the history. Love the Google. Trick number 5. If you want a PDF file of exact any related topic, then just type file type :PDF, then the topic you want to search. Bingo! It will really save your time and make search exactly what you want in the PDF. Trick number 6. Thanos snap. Like the interesting character? Very interesting to see. If you can click on the Thanos snap, the thing will start to vanish like the way Thanos do in movies. What you have to do is to write the Thanos snap in the Google search bar and click on the link provided, and you see, clicking on it first time will vanish the things the Thanos do in the movie, and clicking it again will restore all the things that do Thanos in the movie. Trick number 7. Write SQ in the search bar. Nothing will happen except the complete page is in a small tilt position. SQ means not in straight or level. So Google will give you practical example of SQ. Trick number 8. If you want to see Apple company photos in the Google search, and when you write it, and you will show the Google will show many results including the Apple fruits with the Apple company logo. So if you want to delete it, or if you don't want to see that Apple fruit pictures, then what you have to do is just write your searchable item and then write minus, and since it is showing the fruit in your case, then write the fruit and the things you don't want to let fruit, and in your case search it again and see the difference. So it will clear all the fruits, and just remain with this Apple logo or Apple pictures. Trick number 9. Go to google.com and write blink HTML in the search bar and see the magic. All the word with HTML narration will start to blink. It's a small Google trick to refresh your mind. Trick number 10. If you want to have a website that resembles or provide the same service, then in the search bar write related : and your searchable website. Like in our case, it's a facebook.com, so the Google will search the websites having the service related to like Facebook. So it's the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Till next video, take care and bye.